To ensure professionals have the knowledge and skills to protect water systems, the USC Foundation offers comprehensive training programs. The Foundation's course for the training of backflow prevention assembly testers is the gold standard in the industry. Established in 1971, this intensive training program equips participants with the expertise to test and maintain backflow prevention assemblies properly. During the course, the students learn the principles of backflow and cross-connection control, how to accurately test different types of backflow prevention assemblies, proper maintenance and repair procedures, and relevant codes, regulations, and standards. The Foundation's tester training program has been instrumental in building a nationwide network of qualified professionals who can ensure backflow prevention assemblies are functioning properly to safeguard our drinking water supplies. In 1989, the USC Foundation introduced the course for the training of cross-connection control program specialists to address the growing need for qualified professionals to administer comprehensive cross-connection control programs. This specialized training program is designed for those overseeing cross-connection control efforts at the municipal, county, or state level. Participants learn the fundamental principles of backflow and cross-connection control, how to develop, implement, and manage effective cross-connection control programs, relevant codes, regulations, and industry best practices, and strategies for public education and engagement. By training these program specialists, the Foundation is empowering water and health professionals to take a proactive, systematic approach to identifying and mitigating cross-connection risks within their communities. This is a critical step in ensuring the safety and reliability of our drinking water supplies. In addition to the tester and specialist courses, the USC Foundation also provides one-day workshops, a range of live webinars, and on-demand educational content to help water industry professionals stay up to date on the latest developments in backflow prevention and cross-connection control. Through these specialized training programs and educational resources, the Foundation is equipping the water industry with the knowledge and skills needed to protect public health and the integrity of our drinking water systems.